God sees the truth, but wait.
Saikat Day, a BCA student at Umshirpi College, was awarded the Bharat Gaurav Puraskar for his contributions to computer science and engineering. Saikat expressed gratitude to his college and mentors, emphasizing the role of AI in solving problems and coding. He aims to study AI and data sciences further.
I got selected by Computer Society of India because I'm the life member there, and due to my cumulative effects of the work I did there, like writing articles, participating in their events, and doing many online courses from various institutes as well. So I think that's the reason I got it.
Actually, he studied class 12 science from here. From that time, I noticed that in this boy, there is some resource. He has talent. So since the Umshirpi College has started preparation towards opening a center for data science and artificial intelligence, so I instructed him to join this BCA course, and many times he shows our wonders, some new data, some new programs he has written, some new algorithms he developed.
The Meghalaya government is seeking diverse opinions